Like this, they are going to ask the Java programs, print even numbers from 1 to 100, 1 to 10, 1 to odd numbers, print pattern, reverse string. Sometimes they will ask you to print the tables. Java. Close all. Okay. Right click and close all if you are opening multiple tabs, multiple class files. Right click. Now I am going to print the table. Some people they will ask you to print table using for loop. Main method. Inside main method. In suppose I want to print the number equal to 10. 10th table I want to print. Or int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Now here we are going to print 10. This is the number plus into plus I. Okay, every time first initially I value will be 1. 10 into 1. Here I'm going to add the equal plus number into 1. Number into I. Okay. Simple for loop to print it. Why I'm giving double quotes? Because 10 into 1, 10 into 1. First time, right? First iteration, if you see, let's debug this, okay? Debug, we are going to start switch. Now I'm going to do step over. F6 shortcut is there, okay? If you want keyword, you can use shortcut. In interview, they will ask you, okay, what is the keyword to do step over? F6. Then what is the keyword to go step info? If you want to go in detail, you can use step info. Now see, now number is 10, okay? I value is 1. 10 into 1, 10. Again, for loop, 10 times it is going to execute. Now 10 into 2, 20. Next, 10 into 3, 30. 10 into 4, 40. 10 into 5, 10 into 6, 7. Like this. You can print the table. Because we gave, see, it came out from the loop. Now you can stop. Like this, you can debug as well. Okay. Like this, you can print the table. Suppose if you want to print 5 table, yes, you can change the number. It will print the 5 table. If you want to print any 15th table, just change the number. Same logic you can use. Okay. Then what else programs we have? Sometimes they will ask you palindrome or not. Okay. Palindrome means, suppose if you have any word, I will show you. New plus check or verify or yeah, mostly they will ask you to verify string palindrome or not. Palindrome means, suppose if you take string name equal to madam. If you see, if you write in reverse order also, it will give same one. MADAM. If you come from this side also, MADAM. Right? Test, TEST. TEST, no, it is not palindrome. Race. Okay. Car also. Yeah, race car. If you take race car, see, if you try to write in reverse order also same. RACE car. From this side also RACE. This is palindrome. Whether if you are from starting and ending should be same word. Okay, we are going to. They will ask you to check. For this, we are going to define string reverse equal to, because we need to reverse the string. Then only we can able to check to compare. Okay, two strings are equal or not. For reversing, already you know the logic. Int I equal to name dot length minus 1. Then I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Now we need to assign the each and every character here. Reverse equal to reverse plus name dot caret. Each and every character we are assigning to the reverse. Now I am going to check condition if, or I can use methods name dot equals reverse. Before this, okay, I want to print the reverse string. If you are even reversing also, you will get same thing, right? Madam, MADAM. From left side also, you will get MADAM. From right side also, if you are checking, you will get same thing. If, okay, let's store in Boolean is palindrome. Or you can check result as well. Boolean result. If result, if it is true, right, then only it will go to the for loop. Sorry, inside if condition. If it is false, then it will go to else. This name is palindrome. Else, if both are not equal, then this is not a palindrome. Like this. Now, if you try to execute, if it is true, it will print the reversed string is madam. Madam is palindrome. See, I will try to make this in order. Right click, run as Java application. See, reverse string also same after reversing string. Now, madam is a palindrome. Suppose if you try to enter test, see, test is not a palindrome because here we got TSET. After reversing string, we got TSET. That's why it is not a palindrome. Race car, see, it is a palindrome. Even if you try to, after reversing, we got the same thing, race car. Okay, like this, we are going to check. Then if you want to find the longest word in a string, this is also one of the important entry question. They will give string array, find longest word from string. Sometimes they will give string, sometimes they will give directly array as well. We have one method we are going to cover here. Suppose I am going to take string word. Let's take sentence equal to I am learning Selenium automation testing. Okay, suppose if you have big paragraph, okay, from that you want to know what is the longest word. It is difficult. Now you can easily say, okay, automation is the longest word. If you have more, then you need to check each and every word. Okay, for that, first I am going to split the entire string. Dot split method. In string we have split method using regular expression. What is the common thing here? The space is common, right? For each and every word we have space. Based on this space, we are going to split the entire string. Now it will return the string array. String words we need to represent array. Otherwise, it will throw exception. Whenever you are calling split method, it will return the string array like this. Now, by using for loop or for each loop, for this we will try to use for each loop. Okay. For each loop syntax is what is the data type? String is the data type. Then from words, I am going to store in words. New variable I defined as word. This simple one. Okay. Old for loop, we are going to write like this, right? In I equal to 0, I less than. Okay. For this one, I am going to use for each loop. This syntax is different. First thing you will get the data type. What is the data type? String type, right? Then here we have all words. Then I am going to give the new variable. Whatever words you are having, please give to the word. Now I am going to write if condition, if word dot, I am going to check each and every word length. Before this, I want to define one string longest so that I can compare each and every word greater than longest word dot length. Then I am going to assign this longest word equal to word. Finally, we are going to print the longest word. It will check each and every word. Okay, I will show you. Longest word is this one. Okay, now let's try to debug this. Finally, we are going to print, right click, debug as Java application, switch. Now see, here 0th index we have I. Then first index we have am. Second index we have learning, Selenium. Like this, it is going to store in based on index. Okay, total we have 5 because it is going to start with 0th index. Okay, in 0th index we have I. First index we have am learning. Okay, this is, you can see this as well. It is showing an array. Earlier we stored in array, right? Here we are not added any comma. See, after using split method, we have these elements. Now step over. Now it is going to check first one. First one I is there. Okay. Then here nothing is there. Next, it is going to assign I here. Okay, it is for loop, right? It is going to compare. Okay, it will compare with this one. Then it will compare with this. Then it will compare with this. Like this, it is going to compare with each and every word. Now see, we have am. Now we have I, right? Am, it is going to compare with the I. Then these two, which is the longest word? We have am. Next, learning am. Okay, because in this from these two, am is the longest one. Now see am. Then it will compare with the learning. Now learning is the longest one, right? It is going to check with selenium. Like this, it will compare each and every word. Whenever we are getting right longest word, then it will come out from the loop. It will print in output. See, longest word is automation. Like this. If you have paragraphs also, by using this logic, you can execute. Got it? Only thing you need to know how to write the logic. Okay, you need to define some variables here. It will take time. Okay, initially you started coding, right? It will take time. Then how to, which logic I need to use. Sometimes they will ask you, okay, character occurrence. See, some programs we are not going to use anywhere in Selenium. Just they want to check, okay, your coding skills, how much you can answer, what is your thinking, logical thinking. Okay, here I'm going to give. If you see here I'm giving string name equal to Selenium. From this, okay, I'm going to check ch equal to e. E how many times repeated in this from this string. Okay, I want to get the count. For getting count, you need to define the count as well. Same by using for loop in I equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. So that we will get the each and every name dot length I plus plus. Now we are going to check condition if name dot caret. Now we have all characters at this caret equal to ch, which you want to compare. If it is identified, we are going to increment the count. Whenever the repeat e is identified, I'm going to repeat the count. Now finally, I'm going to print the count. How many times e repeated? If you want, you can debug. Finally, you can print this. Right click, debug as Java application, switch. Okay, here. Now see, character is E. You want to check. Count is 0. I equal to 0 now. Okay. Next step over. See, E is identified. Then it count become 1. Now again I is checking. Okay, L is checking. L value. No. Now again E, right? It incremented the count. Now remaining, no, we don't have anything. Okay, only 2 times repeated. If you try to add E, now try to execute like this, it is going to check each and every character. If it is available, it is incrementing the count like this. Okay. Yeah, anyway, it will take time to understand this. No need to worry. Hmm. Then what else we have common programs? Sometimes they will ask you to count vowels as well. Okay. A, E, I, O, U, right? We have vowels from string. Okay. Can you please count the vowels? They will ask you to write Java program. Count vowels. Select. Then here string str equal to, I will give selenium. Or if you want, you can give name as well. Your name you can give. Okay, for timing I am giving selenium. Then here I am going to give int count equal to 0 because we need to get the vowel count. How many vowels we have. Sometimes what will happen, right? If we here we are having different S is there. Okay, automation. Yeah, uppercase is there. Then we are going to use lowercase method. Hmm. str dot to lowercase because we are going to compare the vowels, right? We are going to take vowels count. Okay, let's better make everything as lowercase. I am going to assign in same value. I don't want to take another new variable. Then I can check, okay, whether it is converted or not by checking. Okay, str, yeah, lowercase method we use. Then by using for loop, int I equal to 0, we need to traverse from each and every character, right? Here str dot length I plus plus. Then we need to get all characters. Okay, for that I'm going to do str dot caret method. Whenever you are calling caret method, it will return char ch equal to, then I'm going to write if condition. For loop if condition. Okay, mostly in most of the programs we are going to use for loop as well as if condition. Only thing you need to know how to use, that's it. If character equal to a, or character equal to e, or because I'm going to check multiple conditions here, that's why I'm going to use logical operator or a, e, I, o, u. Okay, then we are going to increment the count. Finally, outside for loop you need to print the count. Okay, don't define here. Outside for loop only we are going to print the count, vowel count. For meaningful, I am going to add this thing here. Vowel, vowels count is now right click, run as Java application. See, vowels count 10. E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, correct. If you try to change this, suppose I'm giving my name. I want to check, okay, how many vowels do I have. Same logic you can use for any string. Only six I'm having, six vowels. Let's check. Yeah. Okay. Like this, you can apply this for same, like, okay. Same logic you can implement for 1 minute. I'm getting call from office.
Sir, we are unable to get your voice.
Yeah, okay. Sorry about this. Actually, I received a call from office. Okay, that's why. Okay, like this, they are going to ask the programs. Okay, you need to think logic. Okay, at least if you are writing right, if you try to define only thing. Okay, here you want to check count, right? This is the character. You can define. Okay, I want to get count by using for loop. You will get the all characters, right? You are going to traverse from here to here, S to E. Then we are going to compare this caret method. Okay, it will capture all characters here. Then it is going to compare this E. Whenever E is identified, it is going to increment the count. Then finally we are going to print the count. Okay, then what else we have? Sometimes they will ask you to count each vowel. Okay, so suppose I want to know how many vowels are there. Now it is giving overall count, right? Some people they will ask you, okay, A is repeated how many times? E is repeated how many times? I, O, okay, U. Here same thing, still same thing we can use, but we need to modify. Okay, you need to define more variables like count of A, then count of E, because we are going to count the multiple A, E, I, O, U. Okay, like this. Then here for this, right? Okay, it will take more time to check each and every character by using for loop. Better we can use switch case as well. Inside this for loop, we can go with another switch case so that it will be easy for you to count. I will tell you, okay, in advanced concepts, I will tell you. I don't want to make this complex. Then we have integer arrays, right? Okay, today we covered integer array. Let me tell you, you want to get the maximum number from integer array. We are going to define max number from int array. Here, int array number equal to, here you can give random numbers like 100, 5 comma 7 comma 200, 500. Okay, from this we are going to print the maximum. If you can change 1, 4, 5. Okay, they will give like this integer array, or they will give you, they will inform you to take your own integer array. At least you need to know how to define this integer array. Then int max, okay, equal to number of 0. We are going to check the zeroth index, whatever we have 100. Then by using for loop, now we need to traverse all elements from integer array. Int I equal to 1, I less than dot length. Same for string, right? We used length method. But for array, we are going to use this method, length method. I plus plus. Now we are going to write if condition. If number of I greater than max. Same we verify, right? Longest string. Same way we are going to define max equal to number of I. then maximum number is like this. If you try to debug, you can debug here. Right click, debug as Java application, switch. You can click this. Okay, if you are unable to see this, you can click this. Now we have max is value is 100. Now it is going to check with 0, 200, 500. Iteration 6. Iteration 6 we have 1. See, maximum number it is printing 5 because this is the maximum number. It is going to compare the all numbers. Okay, that's why we are whatever maximum number we have, we are going to assign this like this. We have all I values here. From here to here, we are going to define. Okay. Whatever programs I told you, please discuss, please practice. These are the basic programs. Okay, at least you need to know basic programs so that they will give chance. Okay, if you are unable to answer complex programs, at least you attempted basic programs. You will get chance. There is no rule that okay, if they are asking 10 programs, you need to write 10 programs right. Partially, you can give the logic. That's it. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye. Yeah, Sriram. Let's connect. Share your ID. Okay, I will connect with you.